Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how you print out my printables after you purchased my inserts for a pocket-size ring binder. With these simple steps, you can quickly create a high-quality printout for your best planning experience. It works just like it does for me with a simple inkjet printer. I have had very good experience with Epson printers, where I can easily refill the large ink tanks myself. Step 1. Get the right printable. Simply visit our website via the download link, which you can find in the description box down below, and choose the right product. We offer printables for ring binders and traveler's notebook planners for download. In this case, I chose the XL bundle for pocket-size ring binder planner. After purchasing the bundle XL for pocket-size ring binder printables, you will receive 2 emails from us. Simply click on the download link to open the download page. Click the button Download Now to get your files to start printing. Open the file and prepare printing. You will find the bundle XL as a zipped file in your download folder. Double-click the zip file and extract the printables. I want to print the bundle pocket file for the year 2026 for my next project. Therefore, I double-click on the file name to open the PDF. Once the file is open, you can access the printer dialog by clicking on File in the top menu bar on the left. Open the printer dialog by clicking on Print. We can keep in the section Orientation the option Portrait selected. To ensure all dimensions in my print are correct, I changed the scaling in the previous section from 97% to 100%. I print on extra coated paper, which is available in many good office supply stores, and therefore in the media and quality section I changed the quality from normal to best. And our printables are efficiently printed on both the front and back. If your printer, like mine, doesn't print the reverse side automatically, adjust a few settings in the paper handling sections. The special trick is to print the reverse side of the paper first. Then, when you finish, your entire printout will be in the correct order in the printer's delivery tray. To do this, we switch from all sheets to even only in the sheets and print section now. Let's have a last check. Scale is 100%, media quality is set to best, and we start printing the even only sheets. Perfect! Let's get started. I leave the PDF file open while I'm printing. Step 3. Print the reverse side first. If the paper is neatly arranged in the paper tray, nothing can go wrong. I'm always impressed by how brilliantly the colors shine on the paper. That's exactly why I enjoy printing my own printables so much. It is not at all difficult to find better paper than what is usually used and supplied printouts when buying your planner. And if, as in my case, the paper is also a bit thicker, my planner feels like real luxury. The color of my fountain pen is so much brighter on this paper, and it simply looks amazing whenever I write in my planner. Step 4. Turn printed pages over. This may be different with your printer, but with mine I simply turn the printed pages over and put them back into the printer tray. When the printouts come out of my printer, the headings are facing to the bottom. If you turn the paper over and put it back in the paper tray, they should be aligned to the bottom as well. Your printer might be different and you might have to turn the pages in a different way. Step 5. Prepare to print the front side. Open the printer menu again and check all settings. Under Orientation, I leave my setting to Portrait. Under Preview, I select the option Scale and change the value from 97% to 100%. Under Media and Quality, I switch the quality setting from normal to best. The most important thing now is to correctly change the settings in the paper handling section. To print the front side in the second pass, I changed the setting from all sheets to odd only in the sheets to print section. This ensures that only the front sides are printed in the next round. Everything is set up correctly, so I can press the print button to print the front sides now. Step 6. Print the front side second. If your printer is as fast as mine, it will only take a few minutes for your front pages to be on the paper. I am always amazed at how much better the printed version of the printable looks compared to the file I see on my monitor. It's simply wonderful to have come so much closer to one's real, true, best planner experience ever. My printer prints the first page of my printable as the last page. Once you see the cover page in the printer output tray, everything is ready for the final step. Step 7. Check the finished printable. Our files in the printables are set up in such a way that I now hold the finished printout in my hands in the correct order. As I look through the pages, I'm simply delighted that my new planner inserts have turned out so beautifully. That is all I have to show you from downloading our printables to holding your finished product in your hands. If you want to know how to cut the pages and don't lose the right order of the pages, just wait for the next video. I'll show you every step there. And if you watch this video at a later time, it will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your time with me. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you all again next time. Bye bye!